Just to save us some time, I already prepped my eyeballs. I used the NYX Cosmetics Full Coverage foundation, really? The NYX Cosmetics Full Coverage Concealer. And I went ahead and did my brows. And I used the Maybelline Total Temptations, what is this? Brow definer, and this stuff is amazeballs. Let's get on to the 0 to 100 glam look. So for today's look, I will be using the Morphe 3502 palette. If you guys don't have this palette, you guys need this in your life. I'm gonna go on with the Wet n Wild fluffy brush. It's just a blending brush, and I'm gonna go ahead and take a transition color, and I'm going to take, let's see, what color am I gonna take? And I like that it comes with this clear thing because it gives you all the names of the eyeshadows. I'm gonna go in with the color Universal. Go ahead and focus that on the crease. Just windshield wiper motions, because this color is going to be our transition color for that 0 to 100 nigga real quick glam look. It's okay if you're messy with it, because either way we're gonna clean it up because we are adding other shadows. If you guys did not know, if you guys don't follow me on my social media platforms, you guys know that me and my fiance have a vlog channel, and I just felt like it would be a lot more organized if I went ahead and put all my vlogs over to that channel. And yeah, you guys, so I will link it somewhere in this video. I'll put a little card, and also I will link the channel down below in the description box so you guys can go show some love on the vlogging channel. And we named it the Dyson's Vlogs, which is my fiance's last name, which I will be taking when we do get married. So we figured we'd name it after our last names. So just blend, blend, blend. I'm gonna take my Sigma E35 blending brush, and I'm gonna go in with the color, let's go in with the color Risky. I'm just loving this color, and just bring out the shadow out some more. It just makes your eyeballs pop and look bigger. And we are at 1,326 subscribers. I just want to thank you guys so much for the love and support. We're gonna go in with the color In the Zone. It's just a little bit darker, and just kind of focus it in the corner, just in circular motions. I am going to use this new product that I picked up. It is the Stila Shimmer and Glow Liquid Eyeshadow. I got it in the color Kitten, so that's what we're gonna use today for this glam look. It's very fancy. Ooh, I like. Going to slap that on here. So pretty. I truly am here for the glitter. It would be nice if I did the other eyeball, right? Jeez, Araceli, come on. This is literally life in a bottle. We're sparkling for the gods. Blend everything together now. You gotta blend this puppy. Oh. Somehow I'm gonna make this work. I'm gonna fix this situation. Now there we go. Fixed it. Taking my C412 pointed crease by Crown Brushes. It's just another fluffy brush, and it has nothing on it, and I'm just gonna do is blend these harsh lines from the Stila glitter. Make the brow bone pop. I am gonna take the Anastasia Beverly Hills AMREZY highlighter, and I'm just gonna go in with another fluffy crown brush. I'm just gonna take some and slap that on here just to give it more of a pop, you know? My camera stopped recording. So I am using the Maybelline Fit Me foundation. It's the matte and poreless. The only con that I do have about this foundation is that it is not a pump, and I'm a pump type of girl. What I'm gonna do is pat that all over my face, and I like doing patting motions. It just gives it a better application to your face and your foundation. So just kind of tap and then like swirl, if that makes sense. We're gonna go ahead and conceal the under eyes. I'm going in with the NYX HD Studio Concealer, and I am in the color 06. My face mist, just gonna spray that on there and then just start blending. And I'm gonna be using the Air Spun in the color Honey Beige. And I'm just gonna take this big ass e.l.f. Cosmetics brush and just take a little bit of that on there, and then whoop, really, bro. Now that we've set ourselves, I'm looking a little powdery. I'm just gonna spray a little bit of this, and then I'm just gonna go back with this brush here and just kind of blend everything. Just an extra little step I like to do. My Real Techniques little buffing. Taking this Real Techniques brush, it is the buffing brush. I'm gonna take my Hoola Bronzer by Benefit. A contour right quick. Make sure you really get into the hairline. All right, now that we have our bronzer on, we're gonna go ahead and add a little bit of blush. So, really? And then I'm gonna go in with the Tarte Cosmetics in Party blush and just kind of tap it a little bit. We don't want too much going on, just a little bit. AMREZY highlighter. Of Cosmetics fan brush, and we're just going to go in here and just go ham with it, because it's at 0 to 100. We gotta look good, you know what I'm saying? Look good. We're gonna go with these eyelashes. I had mentioned them in my DAISO haul, so we're gonna try them out and see how they work. And this is why I picked them up, because they remind me of the Ardell Wispies. I'm gonna fast forward this because your girl's probably gonna take hella long putting on these lashes. Trust me, honey. Doesn't even look like I have any lashes on. That's why they were only $1.50, right? Camera died, so I had to charge it. But anyways, I'm gonna share with you guys what I have on my lips. This is a Dose of Colors Warm and Fuzzy liquid lipstick. I figured it'd look perfect with this look that we have going on here. This is my 0 to 100 look that we got going on. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you guys so much for watching.